Hey guys, it's me again, it's Marco. So today I wanted to make a video because of yesterday's patch on Battlefield 4. At first there was nothing interesting for me. They've added squad obliteration, a few dog tags were added, fixed a few glitches. But then there was one thing that caught my attention. Yes, I use heat seekers, deal with it. So the thing that caught my attention was better maneuverability for helicopters. So I thought maybe we could finally be able to do battle rolls, because before this patch we couldn't be able to do it. It would just crash. So, as you can see, I just did one. Well, this is the most obvious part because it's a scout chopper, so it should be able to do it. Now I'm gonna be trying this with all the helicopters. Now just when we thought the choppers were way too good, they made them even better. As you can see, Scout Chopper is pretty easy to handle, but it's kind of hard to fly like this third person. This one feels a little bit heavier than Scout Chopper, but it's still controllable. Transport chopper feels really heavy. To be able to do a barrel roll, you obviously need to go higher than the other choppers. So I would not recommend doing such maneuvers on the battlefield. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.